Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your longboard or skateboard. And for this video what you're going to need is some dry napkins, a damp paper towel, Windex glass cleaner, some Q-tips, an old toothbrush. If you don't have one, just a regular hard brush. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is get your glass cleaner or Windex, spray it all over your board. Not too much, just get it a little bit soaked. Get your toothbrush, start scrubbing it, or your brush. Okay, and after you're done scrubbing the whole board, make sure you get every spot. You want to get your napkins, your dry ones. Just spread it all over your board. Tap on it, make sure it soaks up all the Windex. Okay, still a little wet, but with the sun is gonna dry off should dry off in a minute. So after you do that, let's get with the wheels. Your longboard wheels, but with this one is really dirty because this is an off-road longboard. I use it for dirt, rocks, mud. So my wheels are pretty dirty here. So how do you clean this? First, I like to use a damp paper towel to just clean the outer wheel. Just stick it here, pass it all over your wheel. After, get your Q-tips, stick it in the bearing and just move your wheel. Just like that. Move it all over. Make sure you get all the dirt. Look at that. It's pretty dirty. You could do this on the other side as well. Right here. Damp right here. Clean the sides. Take your Q-tip in the bearing and just spin it. And that's how you get the dirt out of your wheels. I'm not going to clean all the wheels for video purposes. I'm just showed you how to clean one, and if you want to clean this, you could also use your damp paper towel and flip it like this. There you go, we have one wheel clean, nice and black, and it's looking very nice. So do that with all the wheels and you'll be good. I'm gonna show you how to clean the back here. Just spray a little Windex, just a little bit. This is where you have to be careful, because if you use too much, you will end up discoloring your board. The paint will come off. So when you're doing this, rub it nice and easy like this. Don't rub it hard, because on some longboards you're gonna end up taking the designs off. So just nice and easy, throw all over the board. Get every spot. There you go. Back deck is clean. Front deck is clean. Wheels are clean. Bearings are clean. That's how you clean a longboard, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.